Hello everyone, this is James from MPX AUTOS. How are you? Today we would like to finish and introduce the 9-inch system premium option and upgrade into a Toyota Prado Kakadu 2012. So this one came with all Kakadu feature and function, and now at this moment it's 9-inch premium setup, wireless Apple Carplay, wireless Android Auto, USB changing, and premium sound setup combined with the car to boost up the sound performance and retaining all the factory reverse camera, surrounding camera, 360 camera, so on. Yep. So the air conditioner control also been upgraded as well, so you can control from the air conditioner control here by the touchscreen. Full climate control, you can do anything over here. Whatever you see the button, you will do it dually, or both of them. So you can control from the hard button here, or you can control from the touch screen. That's so easy to use and very simple. When you put the gear into reverse, you see the factory 360 camera system here, and you can swing the wheel and you see the dynamic guideline swinging, and you press the button, you see the camera changing. That's exactly factory working system over here. And you press the flashing button, the flashing button is working well. And steering wheel control, so far you can control the volume button from, you see it comes back quickly to the system when we went to forward or park, and the volume can be controlled from here, the north, the button, the side button over here. And communication can be done by the voice command as well with the Google or Siri. So it's Kakadu Premium Upgrade 9-inch touchscreen by MPX Autos. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.